So, welcome back to the channel. As promised, I tried to give you an audio sample on what this guitar sounds like to prove that it's actually a real guitar. So I did a test video before. The audio might not be that great. I'm recording this from my phone. And you might see that the clean channel comes through quite decently. With the gain not so much, and I cannot turn up that amp that loud because I get neighbors living around here and don't want to annoy them with my lack of ability playing a guitar. So yeah, probably some things about the setup. So I'm gonna play the guitar through a Marshall Valve Estate VS100. I probably have this amp for more than 25 years already. I don't use any effects, just the channels of the amp, so you get the most out of the guitar. I put a bit of reverb on the clean channel though. Yeah, it's a 3-channel amp with 1 clean channel and 2 overdrives. It's a hybrid amp. It has a valve preamp. The main stage is all solid state. 100 watts, 12-inch Celestian Goldback speaker, I think. I think Marshall designed those amp and kind of like semi-professional musicians in the late 80s and the 90s. I think they don't make them anymore. But yeah, pretty solid amp. Pretty loud if you want to. So the guitar is tuned to standard tuning. Standard E, and everything beyond E or drop D goes beyond my musical abilities anyway. Interestingly, the guitar just has this single humbucker in the bridge position, and I don't find it too harsh or too bright, even though it just does not have a tone control. But you're gonna see or hear in a second. So let's clean with the humbucker. And if you pull it to a single coil, that would be the north part of the humbucker, the black coil. You can definitely hear the difference, I think. Yeah, it's louder, but the single coil is also a bit cleaner. So that would be the low gain channel. You can probably play blues on the guitar, but with that pickup layout, it's not a guitar designed for jazz or something, so you cannot like give this warm, dark tone. So yeah, let's see how the high gain part turns out. Something's wrong with the check. It gets surprisingly a lot of sustain, even though it's a bolt-on guitar. So Yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and please excuse my pentatonic noodling at the end. Hope you enjoyed that video, and keep sticking around with me on this channel.